about how to avoid razor burn and razor cuts. Okay, at this point, you've opened up your pores and softened the hairs with hot water. You have your shaving cream on, it's shaving cream that does not contain alcohol, and you've disciplined yourself that you're only going to shave in the direction of the hair growth. So you're ready to begin. Now the key technique to keep in mind as you shave is to go slow and use short, light strokes. A large amount of skin irritation comes simply from being impatient, pressing too hard with the razor. You can get just as close a shave by very lightly holding the razor as you can by pressing hard. I just place it against the skin, get the job done with a lot of short strokes rather than long strokes. Now this becomes critical if you're shaving a few days in a row, because sensitive skin can't heal in one day if you're really scraping at that top layer. So you have to use a light touch so that you're cutting the hair but you're not putting too much pressure on the skin. Now if you shave an area and it's not close enough yet, just apply more shaving cream before you go back over it a second time.